impressive, very impressive. The amount of UPVC extrusion they've got there, the amount of stuff that goes through, the way they manufacture the outer frame, very impressive.
The amount of plastic that I saw that we bring in, I didn't think it'd be that much, and I didn't think like the process to make it into a window was a frame was that much.
Well, it's a complete eye-opener, huge operation, so much, yeah, just, I don't know what I expected really. I just thought it's a window, but yeah, so much effort goes into obviously putting it all together, workmanship as well.
It did surprise me, yeah. I personally think it's a shame the customers couldn't see the factory as well, because I think if the customers saw the factory, they would realise how much goes into manufacturing a good window.
Enlightening, I'd say. I didn't think like that much effort and, thought went into making a window. I can now have a lot more appreciation for that kind of process and the people that, make the windows themselves.
Martin explained obviously every step of the process really well and in detail, so yeah, it was great to go and actually have a look at it.
Martin himself knew like a lot about the factory, like he's not just a trainer, he's well educated on the product itself.
For a customer that's already had their windows fitted, they've paid if there's any issues, obviously they become priority. I think that's really good from a customer's perspective to realise that they are a priority.